Good morning, everybody, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself, Abhijit Prem Kumar Chavalkar. I am pursuing a civil engineering degree from D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research. Today, my presentation is based on a GPS navigation in civil engineering. Let's look about. The definition of GPS navigation. The GPS stands Global Positioning System. It is a satellite-based navigation system made up of different 24 satellites placed in orbit by the various countries. These different 24 satellites form a web which covers the Earth. These satellites are 12,000 miles above us. These satellites having a roughly speed of 7,000 miles per hour. Nowadays, the GPS plays the vital roles in all sectors due to the uses of the GPS, and GPS provides our accuracy and speed. So the GPS nowadays, the GPS start using in a civil engineering. Most of survey, smart construction, environmental application, and disaster management. Let look about the use of GPS in survey. The survey is the most important field in a civil engineering. Without proper survey, we cannot execute any project. The survey is a primary step of any construction. With the help of the GPS, we can enhance our accuracy in surveying. We can get a real-time data of a field in the office. With the help of GPS, we can connect a vast area which is hectares or acres with the help of the GPS. With the help of the GPS, we can connect a machineries, a laborers, and a office with the help of the GPS. Nowadays, the GPS are mostly used in the highway projects, railway projects, survey. In India, the Yamuna Express Highway, Ganga Express Highway, Samruddhi Mahamarga Express Highway. In this express highway, the GPS surveying is mostly used. With the help of the GPS surveying, we can get accurate data. Let's look use of GPS in smart construction. The construction is in a construction there are the different activities are involved such as plastering, brickwork, construction, execution, etc. Sorry. With the help of the GPS, we can connect a labor with offices. If a site is a vast, having the hectares and the acres of area, it is become a difficult to connect a labor. But with the help of the GPS, we can reduce this barrier. We can connect each and every labor within a short period, and we can get a real-time feedback from the laborers, and due to this we can keep a close watch on a construction activities, and we can achieve our construction activity target within a short period with the help of the GPS navigation system. Use of GPS in a disaster management. Disaster management is become a cancer for a economical and socio-economical culture. And due to the disasters like a flood and earthquake, the social economical sector get hampered, and we face the millions of the losses. To overcome from these, the GPS nowadays plays the vital role. The GPS tsunami meter is a such example. The GPS tsunami meter is a meter placed in a certain height in the ocean or a sea. If the speed, velocity, or the height of the waves of ocean is increased, this GPS tsunami meter give a real-time feedback to the national or international agency which keep a close watch on a disaster management. Due to the GPS navigation system in a disaster management, we can reduce our loss in a social and economical sector. Use of GPS in environmental management. Nowadays, the environmental management plays the vital role in the development of any countries. If any country want to develop in all sectors, then the environmental management become a main role. Due to these, we can overcome from the GPS. With the help of the GPS, we can keep a close watch in the environment, and we can get a real-time data such as the afforestation, deforestation, fire forest, and we can enhance our environment. Conclusion. Surveying itself to prevent a data communication error, eliminate the needs of multiple flight files in Rispering system. Construction using the GIS, all data can stored in a center location gives the ability to make necessary changes and quickly assess and lead environmental affairs like a forest fire, and one can use a forest fire stimulation to prevent and control the field fire. Thanks a lot.